Hey! Did you see the news today?
No, I haven't had a chance to catch up on it yet. What's going on?
Well, there are quite a few interesting things that happened. Where should I start?
Just give me the highlights. What's the biggest news of the day?
The biggest news is that scientists have made a major breakthrough in cancer research. They've discovered a new treatment that has shown promising results in early trials.
That's incredible. Can you tell me more about it?
Sure. The treatment involves a combination of immunotherapy and gene editing techniques. It targets specific cancer cells and uses the patient's own immune system to fight the disease. Early studies have shown a significant increase in survival rates among patients.
That's definitely a game changer. It gives hope to so many people who are affected by cancer.
Absolutely. It's a significant step forward in the fight against cancer. In other news, there was a major political development today.
What happened?
The leaders of two neighboring countries, who have been engaged in a long-standing conflict, met for peace talks. After several rounds of negotiations, they finally reached a historic agreement to end the hostilities and work towards a peaceful resolution.
That's fantastic news. It's great to see that diplomacy and dialogue can still bring about positive change.
Yes, it's a testament to the power of diplomacy and the willingness of leaders to put aside their differences for the greater good. Moving on, there was also a significant technological advancement announced today.
What's the latest in the tech world?
A renowned tech company unveiled a groundbreaking invention, a device that allows people with paralysis to regain movement. It uses a combination of neural implants and advanced robotics to bypass damaged neural pathways and restore mobility.
That's remarkable. It has the potential to change the lives of so many individuals who have been living with paralysis.
Absolutely. The device has already undergone successful trials, and researchers are hopeful that it will soon be available to those who need it. In lighter news, there was a heartwarming story that captured everyone's attention today.
I could use some good news. What happened?
A young girl who had been missing for several days was found safe and sound. The search efforts involved the entire community, and it was a moment of immense relief and joy when she was reunited with her family.
That's such a relief. It's always heartwarming to see people come together to help in times of crisis.
It truly restores your faith in humanity. Lastly, there was a major sports upset today.
I'm always interested in sports news. What happened?
In a surprising turn of events, an underdog team defeated the reigning champions in a closely contested match. It was a thrilling game that had fans on the edge of their seats until the very last minute.
Sports can be so unpredictable sometimes. It must have been an incredible moment for the underdog team and their fans.
Absolutely. It just goes to show that anything is possible in sports. So, those were the highlights of the news today. Quite an eventful day, don't you think?
Definitely. It's amazing how much can happen in a single day. Thanks for filling me in on all the important updates.
You're welcome. It's always good to stay informed. If you want more details on any of these stories, feel free to ask.
Will do. Thanks again.
No problem. Happy to help.